Good morning, everybody. We are back. I had a very unfortunate trade yesterday, but gotta keep going. One thing I wanted to show you, which is very, very upsetting, is that platinum. After we took a short here yesterday. Look, it went up. He hit us around here on the stop loss, and then look, all the way came back, and then look at that. So I did the math out with the one mini that we had. Had we just held to 22, which was around here, this would have been a $2,000 trade from here to here. $2,000 trade, guys, and we got stopped out. So the trade was there, the risk was there. Maybe our stop loss was too close, but we got stopped out, and it ran for $2,000 on that contract alone. Just that one contract, that mini that we had, that would have been $2,000 right there. Extremely upsetting that happened. As you just saw, oil, same thing. We got stopped out around here somewhere, and finally it went up and it broke, and it went all the way to this. Very unfortunate, guys, that both plays worked out. We just got stopped out. I mean, it's just very unfortunate. We were right about it. Nasdaq too. Yesterday we had this. We had this right there. One, two, somewhere around here, and then look. Yesterday it broke. Never looked back. I just went all the way to test these highs again. I didn't take this, but this is another trade that was there. We saw it. We looked at it and we're like, oh. So very unfortunate that there's silver we were looking at too. Look, broke, and there he goes all the way down here. Put a perfect exit right there. So all these things that we looked at, we are right about them. We just get stopped out too soon. So maybe we have to take more risk and put our stop loss a little farther out. Without alerts, it's kind of hard because I don't know when we can and when not to put our stop losses, and when we get alerts. So it's very unfortunate, guys, that we got in our account at $90 now. But it is what it is. It's upsetting. So especially when we were right about everything. Gold. I mean, look at this. Gold. We didn't take this, but remember we had this right here, guys. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and then look, broke, and then, geez, like all of that. Same thing. So we were right about basically all the 4 tickers we were looking at. 2 of them which we took the last couple of days, and that we just got stopped out. But, it is what it is. Not much you can do. Right now I am gonna looking. The only thing I'm looking at right now is gold. One contract. If we can break this, as you can see here, all the way from yesterday morning, we were just selling. So we'll see what happens here. I'll take a long if this does break. We are at the very close to. Come on, we're very close to the retracement level on fibs. So as you can see here, we're at the 61% level. So anywhere from here to the 70% level usually is a retracement back. So, back to either the 50% or this resistance right here. So that's what I'm looking at. Everything else, I'm just staying out. It's the only thing I'll take, and that's about it, guys. I don't want to make anything crazy. Take small trades and start to build this cushion up again. And we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you soon. Alright, guys, we are back. As you can see here, I'm trading on my phone. Like I said, gold, I'd like to hear. We are breaking this trend line. So I'm going to take one long here. I do like it. It also did bounce right off that Fibonacci that we were looking at before. So I definitely like it. So we're going to go ahead. I am going to put a different stop loss. This one right here. Just so it's more accurate. The other one is way below. It would be way too much of a loss. But I do like it here. So we're gonna leave it here for now and see what happens. Alright, guys, we are back, and the 15-minute chart, as you can see here, and we are up around $74. It's looking good. Definitely like it here a lot. Definitely, finally a nice trade that it's working. I am gonna take this profit earlier, so I am gonna put this stop loss a lot earlier than I would have than our first one. And one of the main reasons is because obviously we had a terrible day yesterday with that platinum loss. So I really want to make up and really just try to catch as many small green wins as we can, so we can try to build this cushion up again and build this account again. So I do like it here, making this the new stop loss. So if it does come back down, I will gladly take a small loss compared to like a $200 or $150 loss. We're up around $82, $83. Hoping to try to get around $100 on this trade, being Thursday, and just kind of doing it, getting some momentum. Also, it helps your psychology. That's one thing it's definitely helped. Just getting a nice green trade under your belt. So your stop loss will be here, which is gonna be like minus $20 or $30, which is nothing. I feel extremely happy with that if it does come back. But that's where I will put it. And again, trying to look for that 30.39 or $100 depending on what happens. So we'll go ahead and leave this here, and try to see if we can get this this high right here. And we'll be back soon, guys. Alright guys, so we are back up around $100. I'm looking to take profit somewhere around here now. I'm up $100 here, $98. So I'm just waiting for this. Yeah, I'm gonna go take it here. We'll call it a day, guys. Up 96 with the fees, and we'll call it a day. GG.